Recovery Zone 2 can do just about as much as you'd like it to as a therapist. It has the tools to write the script for the rest of your life while also acknowledging that sometimes life goes off script. If you're feeling stuck in your position, you're not sure exactly what your purpose or calling is, this is a great way to start.
Recovery Zone 2 is an excellent resource that we can utilize for our patients because it helps them to make sense of the different chaoses and traumas they've been through in their past, pulling it all together, and now finding a sense of meaning and purpose for their life moving forward. Join us for our workshop where we can show you how to best utilize Recovery Zone 2 in your practice.